My name is Sampreet Kaur and I work here as a relationship manager and specialize in retirement planning. I have confidently guided many of my existing clients in retirement planning. So don't you agree कि एक long term financial goal के लिए corpus इकट्ठा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है? Well, recent research in Economic Times states that planning for retirement is a top priority for Indians. However, most people feel that their savings will be insufficient to live a grand and comfortable retirement life. 75% of people feel that their savings will fall short for a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Additionally, volatility in the equity market and a noticeable trend of declining rates further complicate their financial planning efforts. So, क्या आप अपनी retirement के लिए chance लेना चाहेंगे? I'm sure you wouldn't. So, would you be interested in a retirement plan with guaranteed lifetime annual income and a tax-free lump sum benefit of over 100% of total premiums paid? You can get this benefit before the plan actually ends, and it's not affected by interest rate fluctuations or volatility in the stock market. So, क्या मैं आपके 5 मिनट ले सकती हूँ? Thank you for agreeing to discuss the plan. Let me introduce our unique retirement combo solution PNB MetLife Virasat plan. It offers a guaranteed annuity for life and a lump sum benefit to build a legacy. Considering your age is 50 years, by committing to save just rupees 2 lakh every year for the next 10 years in a combo solution, you can get a total benefit of more than 50 lakhs. Let me explain how it works. First benefit we offer is a secure and guaranteed lifetime income of rupees 91,960 in the form of annuity, which will come from 11th year onwards. This ensures a steady financial support even if you live until 100, resulting in rupees 36,78,000. The best part is that the income does not stop at 100. It continues until you live. Now, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि lump sum benefit क्या है? What about the legacy creation? So let me tell you the second benefit. At the end of the 20th policy year, जब आप 70 साल के हो जाएंगे, you will receive a substantial credit of rupees 23,26,500 as a guaranteed tax-free lump sum benefit in your savings account. This amount, which is 116% of your total benefits, is totally tax-free. You can utilize it to create a legacy and leave a legacy for your loved ones. This is how you can get a total benefit of 60 lakh plus in all these years. Moreover, you also get a life cover until you become 70. By committing to save for 10 years, हर साल 2 लाख देने हैं, and then you stop paying the premiums and enjoy a lifetime income. So isn't that great? विरासत provides you additional benefits कि आप अपने income के modes different choose कर सकते हैं. आप PPT और policy terms भी अपने according choose कर सकते हैं to maximize the return. Many of my clients with similar return requirements have invested in Virasat and they are happy with their decision. With this information which I have shared with you, I am confident that आप भी अपने retirement के लिए एक well-informed decision बनाएंगे ताकि आप अपनी grand retirement enjoy कर सके. आपको किसी भी चीज़ का कोई doubt हो तो please get in touch with me. Thank you so much.